You okay, bud? That's where the lightning hit. The metal. I wonder.
Secure the dragon!
No! Leave him alone!
Don't try and stop us. You'll only make it worse for your precious dragon.
Toothless!
Say your goodbyes.
Toothless! Toothless.
I know you're afraid, but this isn't how we do things on BERK. These dragons are not the beasts we once thought they were. They're part of us now.
Not this one. Not anymore.
Release the dragon, Mildew.
Open your eyes, Stoic. It's the only solution, and you know it. It worked with Barnstadt, and it'll work with Toothless.
Hiccup! They've got Toothless. They're about to float him out to sea.
I know. Why do you think I have this?
Ooh, tough one. How many guesses do we get? 5?
Okay. Astrid, fly me to the docks.
If you want to get to that dragon, you're gonna have to go through us. Thank you, lads.
If we're choosing sides, Mulcher.
There's more over there.
Lots more.
We stand with the chief, Bucket.
Stop! You can get rid of Toothless. You could throw him off the edge of the world, but it's not going to stop this lightning from destroying BERK.